Ever feel like you're constantly chasing tasks, with a never-ending stream of sticky notes and digital reminders plaguing your every move? Yeah, us too. As much as we love that feeling of accomplishment when we finally tick something off the list, the struggle to stay organized can be a real productivity killer. That's where project management tools come in. They promise to be the ultimate organizational weapon, a digital samurai sword to slay the to-do list dragon. But with a seemingly endless selection of options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Today, we're diving deep into Clickup, a project management platform that's been making serious waves lately. We'll dissect its features, explore its strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately help you decide if Clickup can be the hero your productivity story needs. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the Clickup universe. The Clickup Rundown, a multifaceted gem. First things first, Clickup isn't your average to-do list app. It's a multifaceted platform that boasts a whole suite of features designed to streamline your workflow, from basic task management to complex project planning. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for project management with a tool for practically every situation. Here's a taste of what Clickup has to offer. Multiple view options. Clickup doesn't force you into a single way of seeing your tasks. You can choose between a classic list view, a visual Kanban board for tracking progress, a calendar view for deadlines, and even a mind map for brainstorming. This flexibility allows you to tailor your experience to your preferred workflow. Built-in collaboration tools working with a team, Clickup has you covered. Assign tasks to team members, leave comments, share documents, and track progress, all within the platform. This eliminates the need for endless email chains and scattered communication. Automation powerhouse. Clickup lets you automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic work. Set up automatic triggers and actions, like sending notifications when a task is completed or assigning tasks based on specific criteria. Customization galore. Clickup allows you to personalize your workspace with custom statuses, priorities, and even custom fields for capturing specific information about your tasks. This level of customization ensures Clickup can adapt to your unique needs. The Clickup advantage. What makes it stand out? Now, let's talk about what truly sets Clickup apart from the competition. An all-in-one powerhouse, Clickup isn't just for project management. You can use it for goal setting, CRM, customer relationship management, email integration, and even document management. This eliminates the need for multiple tools, streamlining your workflow and reducing app fatigue. Free forever plan. Unlike many project management platforms, Clickup offers a robust free plan with features that cater to individual users and small teams. This makes it a great option for freelancers, students, or anyone just starting with project management tools. Offline accessibility. The Clickup mobile app allows you to access your tasks and projects even when you're offline. This ensures you can stay productive on the go without worrying about internet connectivity. Highly customizable dashboards. Clickup lets you create custom dashboards that provide a quick overview of your most important tasks, projects, and goals. This visual representation of your work keeps you focused and motivated. Taming the Clickup beast. Addressing potential challenges. While Clickup is undoubtedly powerful, it's not perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Learning curve. Clickup's abundance of features can be overwhelming for new users. There's definitely a learning curve involved in mastering the platform. However, Clickup offers plenty of resources and tutorials to help you get on board. Potential for complexity. With so many features and customization options, Clickup can become overly complex if you're not careful. The key is to focus on the features you actually need and avoid getting bogged down in unnecessary customization. Limited reporting features. While Clickup offers basic reporting functionalities, it might not be enough for users who require in-depth data analysis. If detailed reporting is crucial for your workflow, you might need to integrate Clickup with a dedicated reporting tool. So, is Clickup the ultimate project management tool? It depends.